Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to install Unity on Windows 11 machine. So first of all I'll open the Google search bar and I will type download a Unity and I will go to this link and I will click download for Windows and the download process has been started. Now I'm going to open the exe file which I have already downloaded. So I will then click yes. After that I will click I agree, and this is where the Unity Hub, the gaming engine will be installed. Click install and the installation process will begin. It will take a few seconds to complete. So the installation process has been completed. I will click finish. So welcome to Unity Hub. Now I'm going to log in into my account. So I will sign in through Gmail account. So I will use my Gmail to sign in into Unity Hub. So I will use the Google Gmail account. Continue with Google. So I will use this account and then I will click continue, and then afterwards just wait. And I will check this option, open Unity Hub. So now I agree. Okay. This is going to take some time, the Unity editor. So it will take around 30 to 40 minutes. So you have to wait for a while. Once this is completed, I'll show you the next process. So we are done with the installation. So after the installation is done, you will see similar kind of interface. Look, all downloads are completed and installed. At the end, I would request you to please subscribe, like, and share. Thank you.